You'll go mad with me filming this bit.
Yeah, little snacks.
Sure, aren't they? Ah, Leo, my friend.
Right back.
Hey, thank you.
This way, if you want. Fully grown? So this is no. This grow up to 3 meters long. This is PC.
Tambopata Lodge. Okay. Good idea. Right.
My friend, here, keep walking. Many ants. Keep walking.
Yeah, keep walking.
Everywhere, in each corner, in each bushes, each tree. This walk, stick bug, they fly. But this one are walking stick, only walk. We use 3 creatures almost together. Can you see, my friend? The cricket, caterpillar, and the spider.
I really don't do that at all.
Wolf spider. Wolf spider eating beetle. You can come here, my friend.
Oh, Jesus. Hey, what was...
Excellent.
Wow.
Wow.
This is a prehistoric bird.
We need a big stake to throw off there.
Talking about humans, it's like a one man carrying a small cart on the back. Side of this.
Let's stay in here.
Oh my God, there's anaconda!
No.
Oh no, it's not. It's an electric eel. Big one. Look at that here. You see?
We're number 142. Just up here. Oh, I really need a shower. careful on this one. Oh my gosh. Yeah, maybe we can't just dip in there. Enough of that.
Have you heard about this rodent? Capybara. This is want to be a Hollywood star.